Hey everyone, I'm Nick Kuhn, a technical marketing architect working on Tanzu Application Service. This video will focus on a new Tanzu Application Service 2.13 feature called Dynamic Application Security Groups, or ASGs. For those of you who do not know, an application security group is essentially a software-defined firewall that can be used for additional layers of security on your Tanzu Application Service platform. ASGs are typically used to grant access to certain systems like a database or middleware server that lives externally to your platform. This allows applications running inside your Tanzu Application Service platform to connect to them. Now, you may be wondering why dynamic ASGs are such a big deal, and the answer to that is relatively simple. Before dynamic ASGs, changes to application security groups required application developers to restart their applications in order for the change to take effect. For instance, if a new database server was provisioned, any application that needed to use that server would have to be restarted in order for the new ASG to take effect and allow communication to the database server. With dynamic ASGs, these changes are automatically propagated to running applications without restarting them. This is a win-win for both developers and operators, as they no longer have to worry about orchestrating application restarts to make use of new or updated application security groups. Now let's see this in action. This foundation is configured with default security groups that ship with the platform, so there's not a lot here. To make things easier, I'm just going to update the existing default security group. Let's inspect that now. You can see that the default security group is essentially allowing all traffic in and out of the platform. I'm going to flip over to my other tab and see if SSH into a running application on the platform. I'm going to use this application instance to ping an external server running in my lab environment. This proves that we have no issues going from an app running on the platform to an external server. Now, we have a new security group rule that will restrict traffic just to the 192.168.10 CIDR range, which is the network that the Tanzu Application Service platform is installed on. Once we apply this ASG, applications running on the platform will no longer be able to reach external destinations like our server that we just pinged. Let's go ahead and apply the new rule and give it about 120 seconds to propagate. If we restart our ping now, you'll see that we can no longer hit our external server from our running application instance. This new rule set from the security group updated dynamically without application restart and blocked access to the external server. There you have it. Dynamic ASGs in action. Your dev and ops teams will be happy they no longer have to restart their applications when ASG changes are made. If you'd like more information on Tanzu Application Service, please visit tanzu.vmware.com.